Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Office Hours Complex Component Architecture Tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll explore the architecture of a complex component designed for managing office hours in an application. This component will include features such as scheduling, displaying available time slots, and handling user interactions. This example will illustrate a modular approach using modern web development practices, such as React for the UI, and possibly a backend service to handle data persistence. Objectives: 1. Understand the structure of a complex component. 2. Learn how to manage state and side effects. 3. Implement user interactions and data fetching. 4. Build a responsive and maintainable UI. Component Overview. The office hours component will consist of the following parts. 1. State management, using React's usestate and useeffect hooks. 2. Data fetching, simulating an API call to retrieve office hours. 3. User interaction, allowing users to select time slots. 4. Conditional rendering, displaying available time slots based on user selection. Step 1. Setting up the project. Before we dive into coding, ensure you have a React environment set up. You can create a new React app using Create React App. Step 2. Creating the office hours component. Create a new file officehours.js in the src directory. Step 3. Integrating the component. Now, let's integrate the office hours component into our main application. Open src/app.js and import the component. Step 4. Styling the component. You can add some basic styling in src/app.css to enhance the UI. Step 5. Running the application. Start your development server if it's not running already. Navigate to http://localhost 3000 in your browser, and you should see the office hours component. You can select dates to view available time slots. Explanation of key concepts. 1. State management. We use usestate to manage office hours, selected date, and available slots. This keeps track of what the user selects and what data is available for display. 2. Data fetching. The useeffect hook simulates an API call to fetch office hours. In a real application, you would replace this with a call to a backend service. 3. User interaction. The handleDateChange function updates the state based on user selection and determines which slots are available for the selected date. 4. Conditional rendering. We conditionally render the available time slots based on whether the user has selected a date. Conclusion. This tutorial provided an overview of building a complex component for managing office hours in React. We covered state management, data fetching, user interactions, and conditional rendering. This architecture is modular and can be easily extended or modified to fit additional requirements. You can further enhance this component by adding features like booking a slot, integrating with a real API, or improving the UI with a framework like Material UI or Bootstrap. Happy coding!